Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about VTU important questions for third semester data structures module 3. Okay, I'm so sorry that I couldn't be in touch with you guys for the 2 days since I was busy with my research paper, but don't worry, we will be uploading it very soon. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me jump right into my video. Okay, so here goes the question number 1, and before that, if you are someone new, please consider in liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. If you are someone who is already a member of my family, please show me some love just by liking this video. Okay, so shall I start? Okay, fine. So here goes the question number 1. That is, what is linked list? Explain the different types of linked list with neat diagrams. See, some of the students, for them, this linked list and or this linked list module, they will find it very difficult. But don't worry, this is a very easy module. I can help you out. Okay. But first let me finish off this question and so on. So that I don't think that each and every one wants the answers. But some students, if they want the answers, they can definitely approach me. Okay. And if they need, they can just comment in the comment box and ask me to take the classes in which you are having difficulty, that I will be taking. Okay, so shall I move to the question number 2? The question number 2 is, write a function to insert a node at front and delete a node from rear end in a circular linked list. Okay, the question number 3 is, write a function for the concatenation of two doubly linked lists. Please note that, students, this question number 3 is something that is very important. Even for the GATE exam, no, this question is very important. They won't give you any such questions like this, but instead they will be asking you some of the questions in an indirect manner. Okay, so here goes our question number 4. Describe the doubly linked list with the advantages and disadvantages. Write a C function to delete a node from circular doubly linked list with header node. Then comes the question number 4. What is with a header node? Question number 5, sorry. For the given sparse matrix, give the diagrammatic link representation. A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is question number 5. Okay. Then question number 6. Write a C functions to add two polynomials represented as a circular list with a header node. Question number 7. Write a C function to perform the following. What and all are there? First one is, assume a 4-node single linked list with data values of 15, 25, 40, 50. Question number B is, insert a node with data value 30 in between 25, 40. C, delete a node with data value 40. D, search a node with data value 25. See, students, I am not giving you the answer right away because if I keep on adding the question and answers, what happens is at least only one subject we will be able to cover. That is the main reason. Okay, so when I'm giving you the questions, so first the questions will be sorted out. So at least if you guys have your textbook, you guys will be finding some idea where the answer is, right? And in case you're having any doubt in any of this theory part, just do one thing, just comment me in the comment box, ma'am, please teach us this module in this what and all area we are having difficulty. Definitely I will be putting the videos on that. Okay, so no need to worry, you just need to relax, have a tension free examination. You will be definitely having 70% marks. For that I'm pretty much sure. Okay, the next one is, write a note on linked representation with sparse matrix. Give linked list representation of the given sparse matrix. The matrix is 0, 5, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now you understood this, no? The next one is, write a note on doubly linked list and write functions to insert at node and delete at front and delete at front using DLL. DLL stands for doubly linked list. Okay, don't get worried about that. Question number 9. Write a functions to add two polynomials using singly linked list. Question number 10. Write a functions to concatenate two single linked lists. Question number 11. What are the disadvantages of doubly linked list over singly linked list? Illustrate with an example. Question number 12. Write a C program to implement linked stack. Question number 13. Write a node structure for linked list representation of polynomial. Explain the algorithm to add two polynomial representation using linked list. Question number 14. Give a node structure to create a singly linked list and write a function to perform the following. What and all are there, you know? First one is create list. Second one is insert node at the end. Third one is delete the node at the end. And fourth one is display all the nodes. Okay. So I hope now you got the questions for all of the module 3. In case you are having any doubt in any of the questions, please drop a comment in the comment box. In case you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this with your friends, because I know that this is the exam time. Because of this COVID season, a lot of students are struggling to cope up. So if they get these questions, they also will pass. Okay, you want your friends to pass, right? So share these questions. Okay, so yeah, you want me to say something, miss, just drop a comment in the comment box. I will be also replying for that also. Okay, so let's be interactive. Let's share our thoughts and create this channel as a wonderful one. Okay, so until I'll meet you with my next video, this is bye from Meet You Learners. Bye bye. And also please don't forget to check out the WhatsApp number that will be given at the end of this video. Here the video is coming, the number is coming on the screen. I hope it is visible. Okay, and also I have made a playlist on video computer organization and also for software engineering. Please don't forget to check it out. The link is to will be provided in the description box and also in the top right corner of the I button. Okay, bye bye.